So it happened. It actually happened. Checked the mail today. Volume 14. Pretty happy about this. Not going to waste any time. Going to pop this sucker open. This is the only subscription box I get, and I'm pretty happy with it. Chances are you don't get anything out of this, but I like it. It's mine, and I'm not going to trade it. Okay, all right. So handy dandy list here. Pretty sure everyone knows what's in here if you follow this stuff. Doesn't look like I have any bonus packs. Maybe one day I'll get a bonus pack. Wink, wink, Phil. Wink, wink. All right, 85 Leaf. Big guy here is going to be Roger Clemens, but there's a couple others in here as well, like Dwight Gooden, Kirby Puckett. What else? Oral Hershiser's in here. It's like a $2 card probably. But yeah. Eddie Murray. That's cool. Man, these cards look fantastic. That's what the back looks like. Eddie Clarence Murray. I need to double check and see if there's any errors on these guys. Eric Show. Bruce Hurst. Ooh, look at that checklist. That is sexy. Tony Armas. Craig McCurdy. Murtry. Yeah. Something like that. Tom Porter. Steve Rogers. Red, white, and blue. Look at that, Captain America. AKA Mr. Canada. Dave Engel. Brian Downing and Carlton Fisk. That's a cool Fisk. So, whiffed on this one. This is going to be the whiff pile. Leaf set. We're looking at Series 2. I'll be honest, I don't really know who's in this one. Man, that is like sealed in there. Hardcore. So, Frank Thomas and Larry Walker, apparently. Oh, Larry Walker, nice. That's, oh, wow. Let me break out some pliers to get this out. Look at that. Can't even get that open. Like, this is super weird. Come on. There we go. More puzzles. All right. So this set looks pretty cool. This is what the back looks like. Jeff Montgomery. Once again, Frank Thomas, Larry Walker. We did pull a Daryl Boston. Don't know who he is. Dan Petrie. Nelson, and I'm not going to try to say your last name. Sergio Valdez. Mike Shepperson. Scott Radinsky. Rich Gedman. Mike, yeah, can't do it. Glenn Braggs. Dan Keeker. Sean Bosky. Chris Hoyles. Joe Hesketh. Dwayne Ward. Yep, so another whiff. Nada there. Did not get the Thomas or the Larry Walker. That's fine. 2004 Series 1. So this one, he's saying that we're looking for Molina and Zach Greinke. Yeah, I think Molina's like the big one in this one. Seems like it's a little stuck. Not too bad. Sasaki. That's a cool one. Hee-Seop Choi. And the backs look like this. That's cool. Jung Bong. That's awesome. Cannot make these names up. Eric Wedge. Miguel Cairo. Cardinals. Oof, let's not drop stuff. Especially since this is the insert of Garrett Anderson. Yep. Mark Bewley. Brendan Donnelly. Uh-oh, might be whiffing again. Yeah, that's all right. Juan Castro. Brendan Phillips. And nothing there. So all the classic cards did not get it. This, I'm going to hold off on this one. Let's go 2018 Topps Chrome. We know what's in here. I'm not going to belabor it. Or if we get a glaber it. See what I did there? Glaber Torres. Richard Urania. So we finally got a rookie. Didi Gregorius. Actually, you know what? No, wait. Yeah, so I think Didi's rookie's in this one too. Yeah. But that one's a... looks like a refractor. Doesn't say it on there, but... Nomar Mazara. And Tim Anderson. So, let's go there. 18 Heritage. Good old 18 Heritage. We know what's in here. Come on, big guys. Garrett Cooper, rookie. Brian Shaw. Blake guy. Bud Norris. Miracle of 69, Cleon Jones. Interesting. Alan Hansen. Hector Rendon. Jeremy Hillickson. And Fernando Rodney. So, another whiff. All right, so we got minor league here. Jordan Alvarez, Tatis, Guerrero, Alonso, Gavin Lux, a lot of different guys. Should recognize those names. Edward Cabrera, got something black in there, that's cool. Cabrera, I guess these are all rookies. Mackenzie Gore, Topps News, got a memorabilia. That is a fat, look at that card. That is massive. Game used memorabilia is black, so should be numbered, and it's numbered to 50. That's cool. Don't know who you are, but any hit's a hit, I guess, right? Brandon Marsh. And yeah. Okay. Bowman's Best. Save that one too. Series 2. Big 4. All right. Forward stock. Taylor Ward. Nishek. Ozzy Albies. Castillo Wellington. Alex Bregman. Chris Owens, Chris. Yep. Culberson. Thor. And Alonso. Nice. Okay. And this one looks pretty good. That's a good one. All right. Update. A lot of good ones in this one. All right. Moustakas. And we got a Keston here, rookie debut. Okay. Grossman. Chapman. Iced Out. Familia. Real Muto, 150, not numbered. Hernandez. Flores. Oh, no, you don't go there, Flores. Tanner. Real Muto. And Mookie. That's cool. And then the new 2020 Series 1. All right. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Dwight Smith Jr., Matt Chapman, Tyler Flowers, Gary Sanchez, Grichuk, Carson Kelly, Christian Yelich. Oh, it's Manny being Manny. Zach Wheeler, Marquez, Lamb, a black Chris Archer. Okay, got that one. Numbered to 69. All right, so we got a black card. Nice. Palka, and Ian Kinsler. Okay, let's see if there's any magic in these 2 packs. I'll go with the Bowman's Best first. I have not opened this before, but let me see. It came in a weird spot during the season, but a rookie of Brendan Rodgers. Got something weird right there. If you notice, it's bowed out, so we'll move this here. So we got a Kyle Wright. Looks refractor-ish. Yep, refractor. Rookie. A Brendan Rodgers. Not a refractor. Mackenzie Gore and Jared Kelenic. And this is, oh, got an auto. Bryson Stott. That's cool. And it's on card. That is nice. Congratulations. Thank you very much. I like to be congratulated. Now, will we get the Yelich? There's a lot in here, though. There's like Corey Kluber, Didi Gregorius, Garrett Cole, Derek Dietrich, Puig's in here, and then Nolan Arenado's a good one here, too. So if you don't get the Yelich, then Arenado or Didi are pretty good, you know, nice second prizes. Charlie Morton, Chris Getz, David Ortiz, Prince Fielder, yeah, and got a tiny one, tiny little card, Verlander, that's cool. I like that one. That's a good one. Michael Young, Pedro Alvarez, Ian Kenny, and Jeff Bianchi. So did not get any of those, but fair enough. That was fun. Okay, I'm ready for March.